Okay, first candidate, ikaw, mamaya. Okay.
CAR.
Cordillera Autonomous Region.
No, mali! Next!
Uy, ma, huwag ka magsabi.
Bawal ka na aking tanggapin. Tanggapin natin, no? Yes,
CAR.
In geography, what is CAR in the Philippines?
Okay. CAR.
Cordillera Autonomous Region.
Mali. Okay, next, Ate. Pass din. Colin.
Ano, Car?
Oo nga. Mali. Malapit na. Ayan, dito mo.
Ano ang CAR in geography here in the Philippines? Mali! Binago na kasi, guys. Binago na!
Okay, walang nakakaalam. Ang correct answer is Cordillera Administrative Region. Ay, sayang. Okay, next question tayo. Oh,
Next question.
kung sino na lang yung nakakaalam, pwedeng lumapit.
Kung sino
Kung sino nakakaalam ha?
Cordillera Administrative Region na nga.
Oo, kung sino nakakaalam ha? Okay.
Okay. In Philippine government and military agencies, what is the acronym of ASEAN?
ASEAN? Anong ASEAN?
ASEAN.
Okay.
Association of Southeast Nation.
Association of Southeast Asian. Dali.
Three, two, one, okay, next person.
Association of Southeast Asian Nation. Kulang ka.
Wala Asian.
Sinabi ko na!
Gusto mo ba?
Ito, alam nyo to, lagi natin napapanood to. What is MTRCB?
MTRCB! MTRCB! Lapit! Go! MTRCB!
Tito Bong, sige, try mo.
Dito bong, halika dito, dito bong.
Movie, television, classification.
Mali! MTRCB!
Ay, actually may pagkakataon.
May-
Tito Bong,
oo,
gusto mo
may-
try ulit?
Sige, try
Try mo
again.
kasi nasa yung mic.
Ano, Tito Bong?
Movie,
Movie, television,
classification,
classification,
television board.
television board. Mali.
Tita daw.
Ano yung R?
Okay.
Movie, television, radio.
Communication.
Ako.
Movie. Dali, sandali. Wait.
3, 2, 1.
Movie, television, radio, communication board.
Okay, mali. Okay. Sige, paglaban mo.
Movie, television, radio, communication, broadcast.
Okay. Kaya. Ano gagayahin mo? Anong gagayahin mo? Anong gagayahin mo?
Search mo muna. Search mo.
Again.
Okay, go.
Movie and television are, di ba? Review classification boards.
Pwede na, may kulang lang ng N, pero yung tama ang sagot ni Ate Ayla.
Review ang word.
So, kumunod ka na.
Saan magaling yan?
Ay.
Oy, di ka nakasali sa 500 pesos mamaya.
Sige, talian natin. Nakakaawa na yung mga person. Mabilisan to, lumapit sa harap, kunin ang mic. Ano ang NBI?
National Bureau of Investigation.
Tama talaga yung sagot ni Queen dito guys, pero hintayin niyo yung sasabihin ni Mother.
Ay, mali.
National Basketball Association.
NBI, ano ba?
Ano si Kuya?
Kasi ko, kasi Jimmy.
National Basketball.
Next! Acronym for Philippine Government and Military Agency. Alam na alam natin itong lahat. PCSO!
Ay! PCSO daw!
Philippine Philippine Tulaw.
Philippine Charity Sweepstakes Office.
Loto.
Ano ang acronym for TESDA?
Ano?
TESDA.
Testa?
Oh. TESDA.
Besta! Uy, tapos ka na! Tapos ka na! Sorry!
Alright, go, go, go.
John Villanueva. Ano ba?
Hindi! Okay.
Technical education skills.
Okay, yung coaching please.
Yung D. Development. Authority.
Okay, correct!
Get your friend!
Paunahin na, panalo ni matatanda. The last question for the acronym. Okay? Oto, ewan ko kung hindi pa ito masagot ha.
Oh, last two! Sige, last two. Bibigyan
Last
namin.
two, ewan ko kung hindi pa masagot. SMCM.
SMCM! Oh, lapit!
St. Mary's College of Migawayan.
Oh, sige, next question. Padaliin natin ang mga buhay nyo. What is DepEd? Department of
Department of Health.
Ayan.
Kailangan ko to.
Department nyo! Sakto-sakto!
Wow! Ano yan? Ano yan? Wow, faces! Tita